cause they started cutting me. I'll tweet you in my channel, make me crazy.
Wait! Let me hit my dance real quick. I'm hitting the wall. I'm hitting the wall.
I'm gonna kill you.
No,
I'm gonna kill you.
No!
Yep, I'm gonna kill you.
Get back!
Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He did! Don't let me go! Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game.
Ding dong. Oh, my best is that. Yo, this is massive. Alright, I'm bringing in. Alright, time to eat. Wait, let me go get something. Dude, hello? Dude, do you know where the mimic is? Hello? Hello? What the hell? What was that?
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound.
Today is day number 4 of doing an RPG for every subscriber and a dynamite for every like.
What the? Oh.
Wait, that's mine, can I have it back?
Mukbang with Bobby! Mukbang with Bobby! Mukbang with Bobby! Bobby, not another mukbang, you fat ass. Shut the fuck up! They were just gonna eat all food. Oh, chicken, very good, very good. MRE! Pumpkin pie. Ah! Oh, what is this? Do I really have to eat this?
Bubby, you have to eat your vegetables. Eat them.
Listen to your daddy.
Shut the fuck up! Next up is hot Cheetos. Woo! Chocolate! Chocolate. Woo! Now! It's Big Bertha. Oh! Oh! It hurts! It hurts! I gave you a comedic boy!
Chill, bro. I got you.
Get him!
You know what I'm doing? Like, imagine crying in a virtual game couldn't be me.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm
No,
gonna kill you.
no, no,
Yep, I'm gonna kill you.
Get back!
Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He did! Don't let me go! Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game.
Yo, if you want to put a bounce on someone, go to
Stop! 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 Stop!
Okay, friends. Shake my hand.
Okay, but don't kill me.
You wanna put a bounce on someone, go to stage 4. If you wanna put a bounty on someone, if you wanna put a bounty on someone, go to stage 4.
Stop!
Here, no, I'm sorry. I'll give you my grappler. I feel bad. I'll give you my grappler. Okay, here.
Give
Drop
me.
it so no one gets stuck. Okay? Wait, put your hand on it.
Give
Put
me.
your hand on
What
did I do?
You're getting reported for Gorilla time.
What did I do? Report him.
Yo, does anybody here want to trade for this?
Blue, I don't care about your grappler. I'm just gonna give you 2 grapplers. I'm just gonna give you fucking 2 grapplers, bitch. No, I'm not giving you.
Yo, watch where you're going, nerd! What the fuck? Give me your lunch money! Give me my lunch money! I'll give you my lunch money!
So, Bill, why did you, like, do that to him?
Cause he's a flippin' loser! What'd you say to me, punk?
Stop!
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe. I gave you the company coins! Get him!
Okay, here, take it. Here. Oh, shoot. Oh no. Bro.
Wash my belly. Yay. Clean my belly. Clean my belly.
You can fall for anything. Like you throw this bone, go fetch.
Like your braids. Drop a follow button and shake them.
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe. You see me not. You see me not. You see me not. You see me.
Bro, that's the wrong freaking game, bro.
Shut the fuck up!
Shut the freak up is crazy. Hey, that was mine!
Nope.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.